How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a apartment building today on the first floor, and this is their little laundry closet. They are having issues with people using their laundry above, and soap suds and everything is coming out of their laundry drain here, the discharge pipe. So this pipe actually comes through the wall and it ties in here. So we're going to be opening up this wall, cutting the pipe and snaking down. We're going to go down about 60 feet. We want to make sure we're in that main, so that if it doesn't happen on a regular basis like it has been. You can never stop at 100% unless you do power wash. The management's not wanting to do a power wash at this time. They just want us to come in and snake it out. So we're going to cut the copper line. We're going to end up coupling it back together with some Fernco couplings. We're going to have an access panel put in by the management afterwards. And that way, if it ever happens again, it'll be in and out. And yeah, so yeah, let's go. I'm going to put a hole in the wall here so that we can access the pipe and go from there. I'm going to shut the camera off now, and then I'll be right back once the hole's all cut. Alright guys, so I got the hole cut and I cut the pipe. So we're going to get ready and start snaking this out. I do have this water running so that we can have water running in here the whole time. So, like I said, we'll get the management to throw an access panel in here when we're all done, and we'll go from there. All right. I do like using the drop head so that if there's any lint or anything in there, we can try to bring it out. Just gotta take some old hair off. Here we go. Like I said, we're going to try to go 60 feet down. Make sure we don't try not to hit any blockages, and just get this drain cleaned out. Just gonna switch hoses. This should have been the hot, but it seems like it's the cold. I always like having hot water on in case they tied this line in with a kitchen at any point, and we don't want the cable coming back black full of grease. So if they had the kitchen tied in, it will. Okay, perfect. All right, so that was 52.5 feet. Yeah, well, at this point here, it's 52.5 feet. So to here, we're about 50 feet down. So we're on the first floor. We're well within the main line. You can see I got no more cables in the bin. So I'm gonna start pulling out. We still have the water running, hot water, and it'll clean up the cables and we'll go from there. So let's pull it out. came back or linked, but nothing major. So it was probably just soap suds built up in the line. So we're gonna wrap everything up here and we're gonna say we're good to go. There, that goes there. This is just a vent pipe. That. And that's that. We're gonna shut this water off. We can take our pliers, take our tools, and we're done. All right, so we got the management coming in. They're gonna install the washing machine back in and everything should be good. We had the water running the whole time, so there should be no future backups, at least for the near future. They should really do a power wash of that main drain in the basement. It's in a locker room, so that's why they're hesitant not to do that, because then they'd have to get all the stuff removed. Unless it's an emergency, then they worry about that. But if it's just maintenance, a lot of times management companies for apartment buildings don't like to do that. So I appreciate you guys watching till the end. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.